Hi there, my name's Shauna, and I am going to be talking to you all about this lovely bottle of lemon doTERRA essential oil. A little bit about this particular bottle. Lemon comes from Italy, and it is a citrus oil, which means it would go through a cold press distillation process. A little fun fact about this particular bottle of lemon doTERRA essential oil, this is a 15 milliliter bottle, which is approximately 250 drops. It takes approximately 45 lemons to make up this one bottle of doTERRA essential oil, which is amazing kind of when you think about it. Lemon in itself is a photosensitive oil, so one that you do want to be careful if applying topically and being out in the sun. You want to refrain from having exposure anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. Now, if you've applied it and you've covered that area, you're fine to go out in the sun. Lemon is a very cleansing oil and is known as an oil of focus. It was actually my first doTERRA essential oil that I was ever introduced to, and the reason for it, I was having some kidney issues. A girlfriend of mine had done up a roller bottle that included just lemon, topped with fractionated coconut oil. I rubbed it right on that affected area with my kidney, and within 24 to 48 hours, I was absolutely amazed at little to no pain I had, as well as the inflammation had pretty much subsided. That was kind of my first aha moment with doTERRA, and since then I've had plenty, but it's one oil that I use absolutely every single day. Lemon in itself can be used internally, can be applied topically, can be diffused for aromatic benefits, as well can be used for environmental, meaning cleaning purposes. For myself, I use lemon every single day. It's an oil that I add to my water, which has allowed me to increase my water intake prior to, probably lucky if I got 500 milliliters. I know that's not good. And now I'm anywhere between 2.5 to 3+ liters every single day. It's an oil that I diffuse quite a bit because it is that oil of focus. Sometimes I'll diffuse it on its own. Other times I'll add other citrus oils such as wild orange or peppermint, just depending on the mood I'm looking for. It's an oil that I diffuse after every single meal just to get rid of the air molecules and get rid of the smells that are going on and bring in the smell that I really want in my home. It's also an oil that all moms and dads want to have on them at all times. When the gum gets in the hair, you would apply a little bit and naturally pull it out. It's like a natural Goo Gone. It helps with gum on the bottom of the shoe. I use it for any frames that I purchase. When I can't get the sticker off, I'll put a little drop, and before you know it, it's fully off the frame. It's also an oil that I will use for any runny noses. If I find I'm stuffed up, whether it's from a cold or allergies, I'll kind of rub it on the M of my nose, so just underneath the bridge of my nose, and it helps just kind of open up that air capacity, being very cleansing. If you've had one too many drinks over the weekend and you're looking to have a gentle detox on the body, lemon is your go-to for that. It'll just give that body an overall natural detox and allow you to function properly. It's one that has some amazing properties for varicose veins as well as water retention. I've been pretty fortunate, 9.5 months pregnant right now, but it was my go-to the odd time that I felt like my legs were swelling up a bit, and within a matter of a half an hour, I had no issues whatsoever. It is one that I clean with quite a bit too, just because of its natural elements within it, and being an antioxidant, antiseptic, very cleansing properties. It's an amazing go-to oil for so many different reasons. Hope you enjoyed the video, and we will connect in soon. Take care. Bye-bye.